Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. So we have cosine s squared. Now I will put this one go to the right, and we have 1 minus cosine s squared. Now this one equals to sin s squared, and this one we have sin s. The integration of sin s, we have negative cosine s, and I will put about c. Now let's go to the second one. So this one that is about 1 minus sin s squared. So I will put this one go to the right, and we have cosine s squared equal to 1 minus sin s squared. And this one that is about cosine s squared. This one we have cosine s, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.